guys, hi, welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new here, my name is Sanjita, and if you are watching me for the first time, please do take a moment to subscribe to my channel. So friends, many of you had requested me to make Reliance vlog one more time. So yeah, this time again I have come here for the shopping to Reliance, so I thought I should make a vlog for you people. I know it's very short, okay, but I think you people will like it. You'll get very much like many discounts over here in Reliance, so I hope you will enjoy my vlog. So please do comment in the comment section how you liked the vlog, and please do love me in the same way. And friends, you must be shocked seeing me in this way, but what to do, Navratri is there, and like I have taken fasting, so I have come here without makeup, nothing. So yeah, don't get shocked seeing me in this avatar. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So actually friends, I have made this vlog regarding the Navratri discount or the Sera discount in Reliance. As you can see, my husband going inside this time in my vlog, he is there with me. So I heard that they are giving lots of discounts for the Sera, so I thought of trying my hands on this discounts. Like, who doesn't love discount? I love discounts, and they have taken care of sanitization. So here you can see the contactless dispenser for sanitizer, and here we enter inside the Reliance market. And as you can see, the best offer I got here is buy one get one free. So in the Sera we need lots of sweets, so Son Papri is here, buy one get one free, and that is very good offer, I think so. And friends, whenever you come to Reliance market, you need not worry about the discounts, because every now and then they have discounts. Actually, this is for retailers, okay. So I have made a vlog regarding the opening of Reliance market as well. So if you have not watched that video, and if you are interested to watch that video, so I have left the link of that video the I button above. And here we enter the clothing sector. Though the clothing sector is very limited, here you can get a ladies kurti at 80% off, my god. And now we are going on to the toiletry department. Here you can see the whole range of soap, okay, and the MRP of this soap is 150 rupees, but here in Reliance you'll get at only 130 rupees. So here you can get all types of vegetables also, and the frozen item as well. So you need not to worry. When you come here, you are going to get everything under one roof. So happy shopping.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land.
very tiring inside and the weather is very hot. I'm feeling very hot. So yeah, I have come to the end of today's vlog. Hope you liked my today's vlog. Please do comment in the comment section how you find the vlog, and please don't forget to love me, and please do comment below like what type of videos you want to see next. I hope you people will definitely like and subscribe my channel if you have not done it. So till next time, it's bye bye. Love yourself and stay beautiful. Bye.